Hello YouTube, this is the 5 rules of hape or airsoft. The first rule, make sure you don't get shot and stay in cover.
Hey, the camera's on.
Oh, the second rule is reload at appropriate times. I'm out! Guys, I need to reload, hold on! There's nothing in here, man! The third rule, make sure you have an automatic gun.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ah! 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 The fourth rule, make sure you have good mask and good gear. The fifth rule, make sure you're aware of your surroundings. Thanks for watching.